VTT is Technical Research Center of Finland. We are a national non-profit research organization which is not manufacturing a commercial fuel cell product. However, we are having a very important role in supporting and helping our industrial partner to commercialize their fuel cell product. VTT is coordinator of this COMSOS project, and we are taking care that the project will fulfill the targets and do all the things what we have promised to do. In addition, VTT will validate the installed fuel cell system to check that performance and emission targets will be reached. My personal opinion is that those SOFC units in COMSOS project represent the future of sustainable decentralized heat and power production, because this solid oxide fuel cell technology can provide the best available efficiency for heat and power production in 1 kilowatts up to several megawatts.
My name is Stefano Modena, and I'm working in Solid Power. Solid Power is producing microcogenerators based on fuel cell, and the product is also delivered in COMSOS. It's called the BlueGen. It is based on a 1.5 kilowatt power output, and it is mainly for residential and for small commercial applications. Solid Power has the largest fleet in Europe of solid oxide fuel cell based microcogenerator, with more than 1,300 units installed. We think that the fuel cell technology in general, but particularly solid oxide fuel cell, that have a really high efficiency, because it can reach 60% of electrical efficiency and 90% of combined heat and power efficiency, really can help to decarbonize the economy and really can help to reduce the cost of electricity.
My name is Katja Mattner and I work for Sunfire. Sunfire has been founded in 2010 by a team of experienced founders and engineers. As for today, the company has approximately 130 employees and is located in Dresden. And we develop and produce solid oxide cell technology for use in electrolysis and fuel cell applications. Within COMSOS, we will supply a newly designed 25 kilowatt unit as a CHP unit to provide combined electricity and heat to commercial applications.
My name is Markus Münch. I'm with Sunfire, Germany, and I'm product manager for fuel cells. On the current regulatory framework in Europe, Sunfire will export Power Plus systems as demonstrated in COMSOS, mainly for Asia. Therefore, partnerships have been established to adapt European system design and Asian standards and installation environments. The partners are experienced in the installation and operation of SOFC products made by Sunfire based upon first prototype projects. They provide localized media support and supply and purification, power electronics, heat recovery, and so on. Sunfire COMSOS units will be made marketable as a turnkey solution for instance, China, Taiwan, and Korea.
My name is Massimo Santarelli. I'm a full professor of applied thermodynamics in Politecnico. I lead a research group which is working on electrochemical and thermochemical technologies and processes used in the domain of energy. At the same time, I'm a member in this case of the COMSOS project, which is related to the application of the solid oxide fuel cell in the commercial sector. So let's say retail or hospitals or supermarket, this type of application, both from the technical point of view and from the economic point of view. It is one of the first examples of real application on the large size, on the large scale of this type of machine. So people can come to see from all over the world, from China, from South America, to see that this plant really exists and they works as expected in terms of efficiency, in terms of emission, so low emission. In terms of effect on the market, difficult to say. The market is going up, but still the cost of this technology are not at the level that are needed for to have a market impact. We are going more and more close to this.
I am Marta Candiglio, and I am a researcher in the STEPS group of the Department of Energy of Politecnico di Torino, coordinated by the Professor Santarelli. Inside the COMSOS project, we are working mainly on 3 activities. The first one is the data analysis. There will be 20 installations of commercial SOFC products in the commercial sector, from retail sector to universities and other installations. Our role is to analyze the data, both public and confidential data, and to verify the performance of these systems. We know that these are very energy efficient and zero-emission systems, but we need to verify with the real on-site data this performance. The second activity is related to the exploitation. So we are analyzing the markets, the possible markets for these systems, and we are looking at the markets which are more interesting for the first sellings of this product. We know that these products are in the early market, and so we are looking at sectors like hospitals, supermarkets, hotels, which are very interesting for this application. The most interesting things and peculiarity of these sectors is that they are very energy intensive, so they require both electricity and heat, and this system can provide this energy with a very high efficiency, so low fuel consumption and zero emission to atmosphere. The third and final activity in the project is the communication and dissemination. So our goal is to inform the public about the existence of this product and their performance. We are doing a different level. We are informing both the general public, so everyone of us and you, and also specific targets like industry, companies, and the commercial sector.
My name is Jeroen Bunk, and I work for Bluterra Energy Experts. In the COMSOS project is to bring in its knowledge about the CHP markets and to show what the economic opportunities are of SOFC technology and identify business cases and interesting markets. Bluterra has already done a lot of work on what advantages SOFC technology brings to the energy market, and there are a lot of opportunities for fuel cell technology for the current market as well as for the energy market of the future. SOFC technology is already saving a lot of CO2 emissions, even running on fossil fuels, and that's even so, comparing it to a standard heat pump brings also the opportunity to implement renewable gases into the grid and make a valid use of them.